The Supreme Court granted BRS leader K. Kavita bail in cases related to alleged corruption in the now scrapped Delhi excise policy case. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan passed the order after noting that the investigation is over and trial will take a long time to conclude. Investigation is complete and charge sheet has been filed. Custody of the appellant is not necessary. She has been behind bars for 5 months. The likelihood of the trial being concluded in the near future is impossible. As said in the various pronouncements of this court, under trial custody should not turn into a punishment, the court said. The court said that Kavita is entitled to favorable treatment under Section 45 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The court also strongly objected to the Delhi High Court's observation that an educated, sophisticated woman is not entitled to bail under the beneficiary provision for women under PMLA. Because if this Delhi High Court order is allowed to become law, these perverse observations would mean no educated woman can get bail. It would apply at least to all courts in jurisdiction of Delhi. What is this? On the contrary, we say courts should not differ between MP and a common person. But here, finding an artificial discretion not there is statute. We find that the learned single judge has totally misdirected herself in applying the proviso, the order said. In view of the same, the appeal was allowed and Kavita was directed to be released on bail. Kavita was arrested by ED on March 15 from Hyderabad. Subsequently, the CBI took her into custody on April 11. The CBI and ED have claimed that she was involved in exchanging bribes and laundering money in connection with the Delhi excise policy. The case against Kavita and others originated in 2022 when the CBI registered a first information report alleging that the Delhi excise policy of 21-22 was manipulated to facilitate the monopolization and cartelization of the wholesale and retail liquor trade in Delhi. As per the CBI and ED, certain persons and groups from South India benefited from the process, and some of the profits were given to Aam Aadmi Party, which used the same to campaign for the Goa Assembly elections. Kavita is one of the several political leaders arrested in the case. The other accused include Delhi Chief Minister and AAP National Convener Arvind Kejriwal, as well as AAP leaders such as Sanjay Singh, who is presently out on bail, and Manish Sisodia, who was recently granted bail by the Supreme Court. The AAP itself has also been made an accused in the case.
Yes, we all are very happy. The court has accepted almost all our contention and has granted us bail today. And more than that, we are happy that today the court has given a landmark judgment on the right of a woman as far as her right is concerned to attain bail, even in ED matters. We are waiting for the operative part of the judgment. Once it is out, we'll get to know exactly what condition has been put.
Will she be released today?
The court has indicated that it will be released by 2 o'clock today.
कविता जी को, हमारा लीडर को बेल मिला है। अननेसेसरी केस, ये गलत केस में हमारा कविता जी को इसमें गलत केस में फंसाया। मालूम है पॉलिटिकल विंडिक्टा, मालूम है, सब लोगों को मालूम है। आखिरी में भगवान ने न्याय के ऊपर, कानून के ऊपर हमारा को भरोसा है बीआरएस पार्टी को। आज तो जबरदस्त अच्छा बेल मिला है, अच्छा ऑर्डर भी मिला है, बेल भी मिला है। हम शाम तक कविता जी को बाहर लाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं। भगवान अच्छा किया है बोल के मैं समझ रहा हूँ। अननेसेसरी केस, इसमें गलत केस में कोई एविडेंस नहीं है, कोई सबूत नहीं है, कोई ट्रांसैक्शन नहीं है। ये फालतू केस लगा के 168 डेज एक महिला को, उनका हेल्थ भी ठीक नहीं है, उनको काफ़ी परेशान किया है। डेली एवरी वीक हॉस्पिटल घूम रहे जा रहे हैं। हम भी देखा है, भगवान भी सपोर्ट किया, अच्छा हो गया, हम खुशी है सर।